Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 powerful cordless angle grinders for cutting polishing. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 12V19500 RPM brushless/brush cordless angle grinder electric grinding cutter. Achieve impressive speed and efficiency with this 12V cordless grinder that can hit 19,500 RPM. It's designed for multi-material cutting and polishing, including tile, wood, stone, and steel, offering flexibility for diverse projects. The advantages of this cordless angle grinder are high-speed operation up to 19,500 RPM, suitable for a wide range of materials. Brushless motor option for extended durability. The disadvantages are limited battery life. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Yofidra 3000W 125mm brushless electric angle grinder. This Yofidra angle grinder is compatible with Makita 18V batteries and features a brushless motor with 4 adjustable speed gears, making it versatile for metal, wood, and tile applications. The advantages of this cordless angle grinder are 4-speed adjustable settings for precise control, high power at 3000W for intensive tasks, compatible with Makita 18V batteries for ease of use. The disadvantages of this cordless angle grinder are heavier weight may affect maneuverability, battery not included. At number 3. 125mm cordless angle grinder brushless electric cutting machine. With a digital display and speed adjustment feature, this cordless grinder provides accurate performance feedback and control, ensuring smooth operation for both light and intensive tasks. The advantages of this cordless angle grinder are digital display for real-time speed monitoring, speed adjustable settings for various applications, lightweight and ergonomic design. The disadvantages of this cordless angle grinder are reduced power for heavy-duty materials. Battery needs frequent recharging. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. For Makita 18V 125mm brushless cordless impact angle grinder, engineered for use with Makita 18V batteries, this grinder combines durability with a powerful brushless motor, offering reliable performance for DIY projects and professional tasks. The advantages of this cordless angle grinder are compatible with widely available Makita 18V batteries, brushless motor for longer tool life, ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. The disadvantages of this cordless angle grinder are battery, sold separately, limited to lighter duty tasks. At number 1. RDDSPON brushless electric angle grinder cordless 125mm. This top-rated angle grinder features a 125mm disc size and 3-speed gears, offering precision and control for cutting, grinding, and polishing with a Makita-compatible battery setup. The advantages of this cordless angle grinder are 3-speed settings for different materials, high-quality brushless motor, lightweight design for easy portability. The disadvantages of this cordless angle grinder are requires a separate battery. Purchase may struggle with heavy-duty applications.